West pine beetles in the trees, they burn immediately, destroying territories. Real fire, all the flames, no leaves, to clear all the debris. That beetle is a real tree killer. Small world, we need these conifer trees. West pine beetles are the murderer, causing the tree to burn so rapidly. Controlled burns are not working. Big trees are not immune no more. Ecologists are strategizing so they can win this pine beetle war. The climate is constantly changing. These constant fires are not helping. New day, I'd say changes have been made, but there is nothing to explain. There you go. First, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Cody Lomaka and Jesse Oakes. They were instrumental players into the research and lyric writing processes in this project. This would not have been possible without them. So we're just going to talk about the lyrics a little bit and talk about how they relate to what's actually going on at Crater Lake. Essentially, what is happening here is they've been doing controlled burns out there, and the ponderosa pine, they've been burning it. And when they've been burning it, what they've actually found is that when they burn the ponderosa pine tree, it's becoming more susceptible to beetle attacks. And that's not really what they're looking for. So they're trying to find an issue, or this is the issue, but they're trying to find a solution to this problem. So when we say real fire, all the flames, no leaves, they've been burning everything. There's not a lot of leaves left. And then the beetles, they're attacking. And obviously we need these conifer trees, and the beetle is a real tree killer because it's killing the tree, and that's not very good. The trees, they're not immune to the beetles. We mentioned that in there. And what's really happening is when we get to the climate change, when we say it's constantly changing, is because the trees, they absorb the carbon dioxide. But what's happening is when they're on fire, they're releasing the carbon dioxide, which is releasing heat into the atmosphere, and that is not good. So there is really no solution to it, which we mentioned there, and that essentially sums it up. So thank you guys.